Hello students, this is Archana, your science teacher. I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy at your home. So students, let's start our today's science class from block 2, food management. And today's topic we will be going to study is managing food. And the aim of today's topic is to understand the ways of proper storage of grains, fruits and vegetables. Students, in our previous class, we studied that how we increase the crop yield by applying some methods. After that, food management is also important so that the food will be stored for a longer period of time. Students, कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि हम फूड को फेंक देते हैं. क्यों फेंकते हैं? क्योंकि some pests like caterpillar, rats and ants, they attacked on the food material and they spoil them. Ants है, ये क्या करते हैं? ये some insects क्या करते हैं? फूड को पूरी तरीके से स्पॉइल कर देते हैं, खाने लायक नहीं होता, so that we throw them. So, food must be stored properly to avoid these pests. There are some methods of food storage. They are sun drying using neem and tulsi leaves, using bamboo structures and chemical pesticides. But before we start these methods, we have to know that what happens after harvesting. So, after harvesting, the crops tied in bundles and left in the sun to dry. After that, they undergo threshing and winnowing, and then food is stored in jute bags or metallic bins, godowns, silos, perries and granaries. Perries and pits dug in fields. Finally, food grains, fruits and vegetables taken to market to be sold. Now the question arises that why drying these food grains are important. So, drying of food grains are important as they are helped to remove the moisture from them and prevent from fungal and bacterial infections. Now, there are also some questions that why fruits and vegetables need to be stored well and when jute bags and bins are used. So, fruits and vegetables need to be stored well as they have a lot of moisture in it and they can be stored for a longer period of time and can be protected from pests. एज आई टोल्ड यू कि फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स में बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्चर होता है, इसीलिए वो जल्दी ख़राब हो जाते हैं. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम उसे अच्छे तरीके से स्टोर करें. देन व्हेन जूट बैग्स एंड बिन्स आर यूज्ड, सो व्हेन स्मॉलर अमाउंट्स ऑफ ग्रेन्स नीड टू बी स्टोर्ड वी यूज जूट बैग्स एंड मेटालिक बिन्स. पेरीज आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग ग्रेन्स दैट कैन बी यूज्ड रेगुलरली. जो ग्रेन्स हम रेगुलरली यूज़ करते हैं कई जगहों पर वो पेरीज में रखा जाता है. Now see in your content book there is a picture of Perry on page number 19. इसके अंदर जैसे राइस है या गेहूं है, हम उसको क्या करते हैं, इसमें स्टोर करते हैं, जितना ज़रूरत होता है हम उसको उसमें से निकाल लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट, fruits and vegetables are stored in a cold storage as they have a lot of moisture in it, as I told you in before. Now the question arises that why we use neem and tulsi leaves to store a food. So neem, tulsi and walnut leaves, they have antimicrobial properties that help to keep pests away. Bamboo also allow air circulation and cow dung has antimicrobial properties to prevent pest attacks. Now students, this is all about your topic. I hope you all are understand. This is the time to do your workbook. So in the first question of your workbook, you have to write that sequence the steps of food management in correct order. So in first part, you have to write drying, then threshing, winnowing, storage and selling or distribution. And in the second part of your question, you have to explain each method briefly. In first column, it is drying method. So how it is done? Drying, we can do by tying the stalks in bundles and leaving them in the sun. And why it is done? It is done to remove the moisture from the plants. Then bamboo structures, by weaving the bamboo to make structures and then storing food in bamboo structures. Why it is done? It is done to allow airflow. We add some pesticides or neem leaves to grains so that it helps to prevent pests from attacking and damaging the food. And in the third question of your workbook, explain why each of the food items need to be stored differently. So apple is a fruit, then apple is to be stored in a cold storage so that it contain a lot of moisture that attack pest. वो क्या होगा कि अगर आप एप्पल्स को कोल्ड स्टोरेज में रखोगे तो वो उसके मॉइस्चर जो है वो इतना ज़्यादा अटैक उसके ऊपर नहीं आ पाएगा, और दूसरा जो पेस्ट हैं वो इजीली उसके ऊपर नहीं अटैक कर पाएंगे. एज कोल्ड टेम्परेचर प्रिवेंट पेस्ट फ्रॉम डिस्ट्रॉइंग द फ्रूट. देन राइस फ्रॉम फार्म. Rice is a dry and can be stored in jute bags or metallic bins. This helps to transport them easily. So student, this is all about the topic. Thank you and have a nice day.